Hello, good morning. I'm Alex and
I'm Nash.
so today we have 3 MacBooks with us, 2 1466 and 1 1502. So all this itself said that case water damage, that's what the users say. And to begin with, let's check the 1502 to see what is wrong with it. So this set right now is not turning on. Let's see what would happen the moment we plug the charger in. It's 19 volt right now. Let's see. It's going about 1.7.
Oh.
But it is turning on.
Oh.
It's a different issue. Although it's turning on, but the machine, the DC power meter is making a lot of noise.
I mean, it's been tripping and tripping.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what's happening right now.
It's something like short.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Set is turning on, but this thing is happening. I want to know what's wrong with it. Should we have a look at the inside?
Yeah. Why not we open up? Right. Let's see.
I'm gonna shut it on, turn it off. I wonder why. Let's have a look.
Wow. 8,000 MacBook.
What are you seeing over here right now?
Yeah. There's a lot of dust here. See. Why so lot of dust?
Yeah,
You know why?
how come, right?
They don't know how to take good care of it.
Have a look. This is how dusty it is. If
Don't
if you're not able to see it right now, right? Just
Yeah, we'll
see
focus
from
it.
here. Can we focus this? Yes. See, all these are dust. I'm gonna pick it up, alright?
Ew.
You
Ew.
see that? That's how thick it is. It's not supposed to be this thick.
Oh my.
It's not supposed to be this thick, but this is happening right now. Pretty much know why the set is tripping all along. If I take out the battery right now, let's see. So the battery is removed. I still want to show it to you guys. All the audience. How does it look like? This is the right number you're supposed to be seeing, but it's about 600. It's the kind of amount that the machine will turn on without the battery.
Correct.
This time we are not hearing any tripping.
Yeah, correct.
What do you think?
We're gonna do a check. And to confirm what things are gonna be a problem, we have to take a look at it.
So let's go to those other 2 machines. Let's go for this
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay. For this, is it gonna turn on? Let's see.
No.
Ampere is about less than 10 right now.
Yeah, it's super less. It doesn't.
Much lesser than previously. It is supposed to go about 600 for it to turn on. That's a kind of range that is supposed to go 600 to 800. This is the kind of number that we usually see when the machine is turning on. Yep.
Turning on, yeah.
Let's see the inside.
You open up and see. Let's see.
Okay, there's a bit of dust here and there, but not as bad as the previous one. But it's still
still not bad. But still have to open up everything.
usually,
Right?
from my experience itself, when that kind of number is going up like about less than 10, it's often a CPU problem. But we don't guarantee that until we try our best to make sure we fix it. CPU is over here.
Yeah.
The way how they build, sometimes CPU tend to be a problem after a while. But I'm gonna keep my finger crossed. I'm gonna take out the battery right now and plug in the charger again and see whether is it gonna turn on. We are seeing the same kind of number right now. So
you have to dismantle it and check it.
let's check the
Yeah,
last one. Okay, so this machine itself, users say that it's gonna shut down every 20 minutes. I'm not sure about the problem right now, but let's turn it on. You're seeing right now that the ampere is going about 200 plus.
It's going for the battery.
Once I press the on button.
This is correct, yeah.
Yes.
This is correct. So,
Yeah, there's Apple logo. This is the kind of time limit I suppose it takes for the machine itself to go to the login page.
it's fast, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what Apple is all about right now. That one reason I like about Apple is how fast it is. Yep. Let's have a look at the inside. So we're seeing that the machine is dusty. We're seeing a lot. Yeah, not so much, but there's dust over here right now. From my experience, usually this kind of problem is the knob bridge. This is just very common when it comes to the 2012, 2010, 2011.
This kind of model?
Yeah. This kind of MacBook Air model is so often. Have you ever changed this chip before?
Yeah, we do. We do change it.
How was it? Is it like simple for you?
No. It's not gonna be a simple way also. It's gonna take my time.
It tends to take a lot of time because the chip itself is we call it SMC chip. Yeah, they are not as simple as it seems, but still possible to be fixed. So right now, from the looks of it, I'm gonna assume that probably the knob bridge is the one that's causing this kind of problem. Whenever it starts to heat up, it cuts off the current. Yeah, this is often what's happening.
The heat?
Yeah, because of the heat. Yeah, although this like the older model, they tend to separate the CPU with the graphic, the knob bridge here.
Right, yeah.
But the new model itself, they tend to make it into one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the new model itself, they make it everything into one.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're gonna open the machine up. Stay tuned for the next clip. Yes. We'll be back in a while.
Right, it's out now. Okay, can you see?
We are back. Dash have helped to dismantle the MacBook. Right now we are seeing the 1502 dismantled. Let's have a look at the inside.
Same dirty also.
There's more components right now, and let me see whether we can zoom in. I'm seeing right now, from what is visible to my view, is that this chip, which is a power chip right now, this is the power component, is corroded. Okay, maybe there's no corrosion, but there's dust for sure. I guess maybe this one itself is a corrosion, or it could be food.
That is disgusting. How can a food eat an apple down there?
The apple. That's why the apple itself, the logo, right?
Yeah, it's a
shows
food.
half of it.
Food,
Yeah. But we are seeing a lot of dust right now. A lot of dust from this side, this side, this side, this side, and pretty much everywhere.
You're gonna clean this thing up, right?
We're gonna clean it. We're gonna fix it. That will be for later. So for this one itself, we're gonna end it. Let's end it here itself for this one right now. We're gonna repair it and we're gonna see whether the set itself is turning on as usual. As previously, as we have seen, when the battery itself is connected, the DC power meter itself just keep on cut off.
This board is water damage also, right? You see this red mark? Well, let's dip it inside.
So let's put this aside and let's see on the other machine. So this one is a machine that keep on turning off after 20 minutes. We see before it was turning on. From the looks of it,
Look fine.
yeah.
Oh,
Although, okay, we
oh,
are seeing a corrosion over here. It's
there's a
very,
corrosion.
very small, so you can't see it now.
yeah.
Yep. Can't really focus. That could be also the problem, but we have to fix it first for us to tell afterwards. As I said before, could be the knob bridge, but I may be wrong. So it could also end up just being a capacitor that's damaged, but as we are looking at the motherboard right now, there's a lot of capacitors. These are all capacitors. So there's a lot of this right now in the motherboard. Yeah.
Yes.
What do you say? Could be something else?
Probably could be. Like I said, let's deep in inside.
And try to analyze the machine and see what's the issue.
Correct.
So let's go to the
other one. Yep.
other one, the last one. So this machine is the one that was showing at lower than 10 ampere.
Yeah.
But let's have a look.
Oh,
whoa. This one is much more visible. 10 ampere and it's water damage right here. Yeah, right here. You can see this green color thing right now. This is water damage. So we are seeing it more visible at this area, which is the SFC chip. There's a lot of dust everywhere. Just that this is right now itself is the part that's corroded. So actually one of the main reason why the voltage was below than 10.
It doesn't go through. It doesn't go through the board.
Yeah, correct. When the current trying to pass through from here to here and to components over here to here, right, and trying to jump to over this side, something is preventing it from going forward. I have seen this quite often, like a lot. How about you?
Every time.
Yeah, it's actually pretty much
I don't know
every day for us.
How
actually.
you guys drink and then split to the keyboard or what? It's funny.
It happens that we see a lot of cases when it comes to water damage. It's just normal. You're drinking at Starbucks, this kind of thing, and then you accidentally just spill everything inside, everything at the keyboard. But the one thing that I heard was most surprising one was the dog. The dog actually pee on it. Huh? The dog or or the cat itself.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my. We used to do a lot this thing, yeah.
Yeah, spillage itself is a lot. Spillage is like so common. It's just so common, especially for the new machine. This is how it is. We're gonna continue to the next video, which we're gonna like show after repair.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. We are back. Okay, so we have the MacBook itself, which was turning on before, causing the machine itself to have a beeping sound. So this time it can actually turn on the battery. And if you were to plug it in,
That's good.
yep,
That's good.
there's no sound this time, so everything seems okay. What we have to do for this machine is we have to change the power chip. Let's have a look at the inside because this machine is dusty. I have to turn off the machine first. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Yeah, it's not supposed to be as dusty as this one, as before. Now,
It's clean.
yeah,
It's clean. It's totally clean.
much better. So let's push this one aside. Go for this one. So for this set, we don't think it's a knob bridge problem because after further inspection, noticed that there was some corrosion and causing the resistor and capacitor to be damaged. So we have took the step to change the component, but because user actually explained that it would shut down every 20 minutes, it would be better if we were to
Do more testing.
yeah, more testing, like maybe a day or two.
Yep.
Just leave it running and see whether it shuts down. I guess this one is right now it's okay, but we still have to do more testing.
Yeah.
Any last words?
For this one, yeah, we have to do more testing on this.
Yep.
Next one, the last one.
So the last machine is the one that wasn't turning on. It was showing like 10 ampere. This time, if you were to charge it, it's not sticking at 10 ampere anymore. It's going above than that. It's turning on. That's how far it's supposed to be. Everything seems okay. For this one was quite difficult. I was expecting for it to be much easier, but it wasn't. There was water damage and I had to do a lot of jumper for it. Maybe not so much, but maybe about 6 about there. But it's okay. Now it's turning on and we are happy for it. So if you have a similar machine, water damage, what I can recommend itself is not to turn it on, send it to us.
We can do the repair.
Yeah.
We can do the repair.
We can do the repair.
Yeah.
Nice save of that.
Yeah.
Any last word from you?
Well, stay safe.
Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
And
subscribe us.
just stay tuned our next video. Alright. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.